What's up, guys? So today I went to Harbor Freight with my intentions of looking around at the glass cabinets and the powder coating stuff that they have, and well, I ended up getting a powder coat gun. I got the thermometer, some powder. I got a little microwave oven just to do some little things until I get, a conventional oven, and then I bought a glass cabinet. So that's what today's video is going to be, is me putting this thing together and try to blast a couple things. I think what I'm going to do first is this angle cam sensor, or cam angle sensor bracket, heat shield that I bought. So I think I'm going to, once I get the blast cabinet all together, figure out how to use it, I'll pull that heat shield off. Maybe I'll do a blow-off valve or my wastegate. But yeah, so enjoy the vibe and music while I attempt to put some shit together. Alright guys, so I think we're about halfway-ish done. I just need to put the door on, put the glass in, and essentially be just the bottom half of it. But what I gotta do is go get more diesel for my torpedo heater so I don't freeze to fucking death. Well, it turns out that I actually had a little bit of diesel fuel left, so I don't have to go anywhere. And let's get back into getting this thing ready. Alright guys, so I know my GoPro died somewhere in there. I don't know where it stopped, but I got it charging right now. Here is the end of the install or put together. There is a lot of room here. I'm sure I could fit a wheel in here. That's my main concern, is hopefully I can fit at least an 18 would be my goal for max, essentially, because everything's 18s pretty much now, some 19s, but that's not worried about that. Yeah, so this is kind of a pain in the ass to put together, but I got it. So now I'm going to hook up some air to it and then throw some media in it. I got some glass bead. I've been researching a little bit, saying that's a pretty decent thing to use. So I'm gonna plug this thing in, get the air compressor hooked up to it, and figure out how the hell it works. So what's up guys, while my GoPro was charging, actually it was half charging, wasn't even charging most of the time, I went ahead and pulled my cam angle sensor heat shield off, threw it in the blast cabinet. It cleaned that thing up within, I probably had it done in like 30 seconds. It was super easy. I didn't even have my compressor turn up the whole way. It was only at like 60 psi. I think they say to use it at 90, but whatever. And I also went ahead and powdered the cam angle sensor. I have it in my little toaster oven right now. It's just a flat black. It's been in there for maybe 5 minutes. The powder says to do it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, I believe. So I'm just gonna wait until that gets done, and I'll show you guys the end outcome, and that's gonna be the end of this video. Alright guys, so I got the part done. On the inside here, I couldn't figure out a way to hold it, so I just literally finger fucked the shit out of it. But, you know, it's whatever, it's my first time. But, the outside of it, because it was sitting in the car like this, actually looks really good. I have one blemish right there. But for my very first powder-coated item, I think it turned out pretty well. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to throw it in the blast cabinet again, clean it off, and see how that works, and do it again. So that'll be it for this video guys, and hope you enjoyed me putting this thing together. So see you in the next one.